This video is made for scientific purposes only. Programmers and students of computer and communication fields and enthusiasts can watch this video. No liability for improper use of this video and use of this training for illegal activities and will not be taken. For scientific and research use only. Matin.
Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Matin, known as Entry Bazooka, the biggest server hunter the world has seen ever. I'm just joking. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an SMTP script with Python. If you don't know what is an SMTP, I should say SMTP is Simple Mail Transformation Protocol. Helps you interact with your customers very easily. Before we start, I must say that this is just a tutorial on making a simple SMTP, and we are not going to cover this service in a complete and technical way in this video. In this video, we only deal with the main mechanism of this service, so join me after you support me with your likes and comments. Let's check the various requirements. First, we need an operation system that I use Kali Linux. Second, we need an editor code that I use PyCharm. Remember that if you want to do this in Windows, you must first install Python on your operation system. I'm currently using Kali Linux and do not need to do this because it's installed on the system by default. Follow my steps after you open a new project in PyCharm. Let's go! After you get here, enter the email in this field that you want SMTP to send message to customers. SMTP_user. And here Enter the email password here, SMTP_password. Enter the message you want to send to your customers here. For example, thanks for purchasing your premium subscription. Message. Enter your customer's email in this section. Don't forget to enable this option in your email. Now all you have to do is run the script and enter the password we gave it. So open the terminal, change directory to desktop, and run the Python script. As you can see, emails were sent to customers. Open it. Thanks for purchasing your premium subscription. Okay guys, don't forget to drop your likes and comments. Adios.